Hi, everybody. As John mentioned, my name is Max Henkart. I'm an optical engineer, and today I wanted to share one of my interests and passions, which is the intersection of camera hardware, firmware, and computer vision. So this talk is really intended to help provide a framework for computer vision engineers to talk succinctly with their hardware teams, and if you're on the hardware side, also to demonstrate why your hard efforts in image quality tuning and image quality hardware really matters to the end application for your company. So with that, we'll quickly go through additional motivation for why image quality matters to computer vision, then introduce two major categories of image quality, subjective and objective, followed by going through 12 to 14 image quality attributes that can actually impact your computer vision, and I suggest taking into consideration when designing a new camera system. So embedded vision systems really take a lot of different domain experts to have high accuracy, from optical and mechanical engineers to electrical and firmware engineers and image quality teams. This is the output from those teams is the input to many computer vision, to embedded vision systems. So I just wanted to get a show of hands. Who here is a computer vision engineer? Okay, and who's from the hardware world? Okay, great, so we have a good overlap. So when designing a camera system, it's important to take into consideration the illumination and scene characteristics, the lens design and alignment with the sensor characteristics and image capture process, along with your PCB characteristics and layout, and your ISP tuning. We'll go through a bunch of these in a second.